Hello. So today I'm going to draw fish. For that I will take alphabet S. And now I'm going to turn this one sideways. One big sad face and small happy face. Now I'm going to draw one big sad face and small happy face. I will do the same thing upside down one more time to create the fish body. Now I'm going to do the tail part. For that I will do V sideways, U, and then I will connect with the curvy line. For the head part I'm going to do curvy line and one small fin. You can do smooth surface or you can do wiggly. This is kind of like a M and this is V. A smiley face and big eye. One creation set, two tiny circles, and you can color it black. For today's drawing, I am going to do 3 different patterns. First one, I am going to do very common one, kind of like a half circle. What I'm going to do, I will always put the dot in the middle and then I will connect with the half circle. The second one, I'm going to do wrapping style like mummies. It's random, not like any pattern. The last one, the third one, I'm going to do with puzzle pieces. Now it's time to color. So I'm picking the blue color. You can pick any other color. But if you are going to pick blue color like mine, so I'm using medium shade of the blue color, not darker shade, not lighter shade. And if you don't have option, you have only 2 colors, like you are coloring with color pencil and you have darker blue and lighter blue. So instead of this one, you can use darker blue. Now it's time to use our light shade blue color. I'm going to create half circle with my lighter shade blue. I will color inside on the top of blue too. This way I'm leaving little bit white space. For this one, I created a different type of eye. So you have to draw two half circles and puzzle pieces. As you can see, I already did with the pencil. I'm trying to outline right now. And if you want some other puzzle pieces or different style, you can pick and you can draw the way you really like it. After that, I'm going to use the Sharpie to color all of them black. But if you really like blue, red or any other color, you can pick those colors and you can color the way you want. Oh, I'm really sorry about that. I just forgot to zoom out this time. So basically what I'm doing the dots over here. I'm trying to make some strings with the dots. The whiter area like a tail, fin and head. And if you want to cover the whole thing with the dots, you can cover the whole thing with the dots, or you can do denser and lighter area. Denser area means you are going to put more dots.